Have you ever been curious about cryptocurrency and the world of blockchain technology? If so, you're not alone. More and more people are looking to invest in cryptocurrency, and one of the most popular platforms to do so is Coinbase. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of creating a Coinbase wallet in Nigeria. What is a Coinbase wallet? Before we dive into the steps, let's briefly explain what a Coinbase wallet is. Think of it as your digital bank account for cryptocurrency. It allows you to store, send, and receive various cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. Why choose Coinbase? Coinbase is one of the largest and most trusted cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. It offers a user-friendly one platform with a wide range of features, making it a great choice for both beginners and experienced users. Steps to create a Coinbase wallet in Nigeria. 1. Download the Coinbase app. The first step is to download the Coinbase app from the App Store or Google Play Store. 2. Sign up. Open the app and tap on Sign Up. You'll need to provide your email address, name, and a secure password. 3. Verify your identity. Coinbase takes security seriously, so you'll need to verify your identity by providing a government-issued ID, such as your driver's license or passport. 4. Link your bank account. To deposit and withdraw funds, you'll need to link your bank account. This can be done through online banking or by providing your bank details. 5. Choose your wallet type. Coinbase offers two types of wallets. Custodial wallet. This is the default option and is easier to set up. Your funds are held by Coinbase, but you have full control over them. Non-custodial wallet. This gives you complete control over your private keys, which are essential for securing your funds. However, it requires more technical knowledge. 6. Start trading. Once your wallet is set up and funded, you can start trading cryptocurrencies. You can buy, sell, and trade various cryptocurrencies on the Coinbase platform. Creating a Coinbase wallet in Nigeria is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. Once you have your wallet set up, you can start exploring the exciting world of cryptocurrency. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.